Hi guys, welcome back to our Sunday episode of our Stock Market Insights. And in today's video, we are going to cover uh, a few of your stocks. So just hang in there as we review them one by one. All right. So you're looking at Investograms, and we are going to go ahead and review MWC. Let's find out the potential of this stock. All right. As you can see right now for MWC, we are sitting right at the MA20 level, which means that there's a big chance that this stock is bound to bounce in potentially tomorrow's market as this stock is respecting that line. Notice what happened here in this period. Most of the action uh, is just within that range. Each time it lands at the MA20 line, the stock is moving upwards. So I feel the same way for the stock. I feel that the next moves would be in an upward direction. Okay. The next is URC. Okay, URC at the moment, let's take a look. Expand the search. All right. Why don't we do this? Okay. So I'm now looking at the weekly chart so we can better understand the movement of the stock. So in the weekly chart, I feel that this is creating this kind of triangle. Oops. Let's try to do this. Okay. Now what I feel is that in case the stock moves up, it will first move within this range. And the moment this stock moves out of that upper yellow line there, that means you will have a possible breakout play. If this stock breaks this yellow line below, then chances are your downtrend is not over yet. Okay, so just observe and see if this pattern is going to be respected in the coming days. And hopefully, yeah, it breaks out of that asymmetrical triangle that we have plotted there. So we are now looking at the weekly chart for this stock. How does it look like in your... Okay, so I have a feeling that it will just first probably give you a chance around 148.07, that being a support. So if you still would like to get in URC, just get in as near as you can in this yellow line below. SEB. SEB, I would have to be extra careful because at the moment, each time it touches your MA20 line right over here, there is a rejection that's happening. So I feel that there's a big chance that it will continue to go down. So just be extra careful and let's monitor the stock. Let us see if there is a possible bounce at the 73.77 level. There was a support build up right over here previously. So let's check 73.77 then. Bloom. Bloom? Okay. I don't see any pattern yet. Right now, it's this line. It's just equal, almost the same, while the price was moving downward. So that means we're not seeing any possible signs of reversal at the moment. Let's see, back testing looks attractive in the foreign buying right over here. Okay. I think this is just my bias. The nearest support that I see would be the nearest one would be this. Okay, 8.09, unless this right here is already going to be a support. Now, let's just stick to the 8.09. Previously, I see some areas here where you have some consolidation that's happening. Um, right here, 1, 2, okay, this one as well. So those are your key areas. In case it falls, it might land right here. But I think this is already a good area to monitor in case the price touches that level. Let me see right over here. It might give you a chance right here. Goes down here, then moves up again. Something like this. Then it goes up. Okay? So that's what we see for blue. What about tech? Tech is, let us see what's happening here. It's trying to create a support in this level. Let us see if it is going to sustain. This used to be a resistance right here and created a previous resistance, became a support right here, and this is already a good sign. It landed on the same area, and then the following day it somehow gave us a green candlestick. So if you want to give it a try, 8.69 is a key area to watch out for. Now, again, remind yourself, are you getting in as a trader or as an investor? Because if you are going to get in here as a trader in case the line breaks or it goes lower than 8.69, make sure to set up your stop loss area. Okay, if your tolerable, or yeah, your risk tolerance is only up to 3%, make sure you exit the trade 3% below your entry price. And ideally, you would want to enter at the support level so that the chances of your stop loss level, the chances of it being hit is slimmer, right? Versus you entering at a resistance area, which is right over here. If you enter at that area, there is a big chance that your stop loss of 3% will be hit, because the true nature of a resistance is like a ceiling. Whenever it reaches the resistance area, there is a rejection that's happening, meaning chances are it will dip, it will go down. But if you enter right at the support level, whenever a price hits that level, the chances of your stock going up is much higher. Therefore, your stop loss would be preserved, or it will not even be hit. Okay, so that's our key area to monitor. MAH. Okay, so there was a promising jump for MAH, but I feel that a lot of people, especially the traders, will take profit. It might give you a chance again around 1.10 level. Uh, wait for your entry price, and the nearer you are to the MA20 line, the better. But 1.10, I think it's already an okay price, because there was a short-term resistance that was built right at the 1.10 level. So if in case it dips, it might just retest that area before it goes up again. Okay, that's 110. Okay, there you go. JGS. JGS is starting to trigger your MA20 line, but it had a history of ending above that line, but it does not sustain. Let us see if it will sustain this time. But this, I feel that this candlestick is a bearish candlestick, because currently, even though we're slightly higher than the MA20 line, MA20 is still acting as a resistance at the moment. Um, Previously, last February 6th, when the price hit this level, there was a rejection. Now it reached that level as well, and it slightly rejected it. So just in case the market gives you a chance at the 72.13. That's a much better entry price. Okay, 72.20. So for me, this is a much better entry price than chasing it up there. Because I know that people will still, the price will fluctuate the whole day and it will reach somewhat a much lower price. And I think 72.20 is a much better haggle than 74.50. What about TEL? TEL right now is trying to retest the long term. It's already a long term support because this was really created for several weeks. This one as well. So I feel that this is not long term, but a much stronger support because that level was hit multiple times, not just once, twice, but multiple weeks. Okay, so and then another key area to watch here and check as well is your RSI. RSI is now showing some signs of bullish divergence, meaning the momentum is now picking up and people feel that this level is already at a very cheap price. Okay, see that triple bottom for TEL. So why not start accumulating volume for TEL? Some people play conservatively, so they would want to wait for a green candlestick to come out first, wherein let's say it starts at 994 and then ends at a much higher price. So either way, if you're an investor, I some of the investors would really find this attractive already. Okay, AGI. What about AGI? AGI is currently, well, let me see. So I think this stock too is starting to pick up some momentum. Price here, well, this one is slightly lower than the previous point right here, right? So I feel that what will happen next for the stock is that it will go sideways before it goes up. But for me, 10.30 is already a good area to monitor. Put this in your watch list as I feel that investors are starting to uh, put some volume in the stock. Okay, I think that is it for tonight. See you again later. It's 2:44 a.m. here in the Philippines, and the market is not open yet. So let us see once again when the market closes. Let's go back to this video and find out whether our insights for MWC, URC, Cebu Pacific, Bloom, Fruit, Tech, Ma, JGS, TEL, and AGI are correct. In the meantime, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button and you will be notified each time we have a new video or a live stream. So, talk to you again tomorrow. You have a good one. Okay, bye bye for now.